discipline, arguably the most important trait in a man. Without it, you won't get very far in this game we call life. Discipline is the act of doing tasks even when you don't feel like it, especially harder tasks. So, say you sat there and you think, I can't be fucked to go to the gym today. The disciplined man will still go anyway, get his workout in. Especially when it's legs day. A lot of people watching this, like, even if you do go gym, you're probably skipping legs at the minute, ain't you? Let's be real. As an undisciplined man, you just think, fuck the leg day, I'm not going. And we're going to be going over the importance of discipline and how it is self-love. And now I've only become more disciplined recently. But in school especially, I never really wanted to learn anything. Not like we learned anything in school anyway. It was all a fucking scam anyway. But oh well, that's not the point of this video. I used to spend hours on video games, also watching endless YouTube videos as well. You know, I used to smoke weed and watch corn and all that shit. I no longer do, obviously. Things started changing when I started my fitness journey. I then slowly started becoming more disciplined and I started prioritising delayed gratification over instant gratification. So discipline is self-love basically because you're sacrificing short-term pleasure to be healthier, to be stronger, to be smarter, to benefit you in the future. Imagine being one of them guys that prioritises instant gratification, that smokes weed, that goes out every weekend, that does fuck all else. Discipline makes you the best version of yourself. It is that simple. You need it in your life. You need it as a man. Because if not, you're not going to go very far. Without discipline, you can't truly love yourself. Because how can you sit there being undisciplined? You're eating shit food, you're smoking weed, you're drinking alone and all that shit. Think of the long-term damage you're doing to your health and the damage you're doing to reaching your goals and everything. So how can you truly love yourself without discipline? I'm going to give you an answer to that. You can't. There is no possible way. And discipline, obviously, is essential for reaching goals. You know, wake up at 5 a.m. or some stupid time to make some money or go to the gym or whatever. Step out of your comfort zone. That's pretty much what discipline is. You need to be stepping out of your comfort zone massively. If you're scared of the gym, then you have to just push through it anyway, because otherwise, what you're doing is just living in your comfort zone your whole life. You can't really be doing that. It's not sustainable, and you just will not go far at all. Life is all about reaching your goals at the end of the day. What's the point in life if you have no goals to go for? What are you doing in life? Just sitting there like some NPC, some invisible thing. Like, basically a worm at that point. With discipline, you need to do loads of hard tasks, so if you're only going to the gym and, you know, you start to enjoy it, it no longer really takes discipline, really. Sit there for an hour to read a book, to learn something valuable that you won't learn anywhere else, not even in school, really. Like, meditate for X amount of time, like say 10 minutes, which is easier said than done, really. Like, so obviously, if you meditate regularly, then obviously 10 minutes is nothing. But yeah, don't think you're disciplined just because you go to the gym all the time, but you enjoy it. So if you enjoy it, it's not really discipline, but discipline makes you have respect for yourself. You do things that take discipline and you respect yourself more, you trust yourself more. Self-respect is extremely important as a man. Without self-respect, what kind of man are you realistically? But yeah, that is the end of this one, boys. If you did learn something, then yeah, make sure you subscribe. More self-improvement videos coming. And also tell me what video ideas you want, because, you know, I might run out of video ideas and stop uploading, and then I'll start uploading, and then I'll go back to getting about 50 views a video. So yeah, fuck that. But yeah, I'll see you on a bit.